Here at HDTV, we are a set of students who love to create. Our school recently just went through a massive renovation, and one of the departments that got revamped was our broadcasting department. We needed a machine that could edit and process and store everything that we were going to do at HDTV. And with that, we invested in something new, something incredible, and something that would change the department forever. We decided to take a step in a big direction and purchase 2 of the new Macs. So the new iMac Pro. So in the box, you get the iMac, you get a space gray Magic Keyboard, you get the mouse pad, the Lightning to USB cable, and a power cord. Overall, it's a pretty heavy piece of machine. It weighs 21.5 pounds. Now let's get into some of the specs. It's got a 27-inch 5K Retina display. And it supports more than 1 billion colors. And it can turbo boost up to 4.2 gigahertz with 19 megabytes cached. It's also configurable to a 10-core, 14-core, and an 18-core if you want. The model we got had 32 gigabytes of memory. As far as storage goes, it comes in 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, or 4 terabyte SSD, and we just settled for the 1 terabyte. The thing that I really enjoyed about this Mac is that it came with a headphone jack, an SDX card slot, 4 USB ports, 4 Thunderbolt ports, and an Ethernet. And all the apps you get on it include iMovie, GarageBand, Pages, and all of Apple's exclusive software. With this piece of machine, we're going to do all of our editing, processing, and uploading on. And with these specs, we can pretty much do anything that we desire. We like to run the Adobe Suite, so we're in Premiere Pro. But this machine can handle anything. So far, we've had 0 issues with this piece of machine, and we're very excited to see what we're going to create with it in the future. Thanks for watching.